In order to start receiving emails into your Inbox Agent account, you'll need to set up automatic forwarding in Gmail. This is how to do it. In the Gmail account that you have authorized with Inbox Agent, click on Settings, see All Settings, click on the Forwarding tab, add a forwarding address. It will show this pop up. I'm going to go back to the tab, copy this email address, paste it in here. It's forward@inbox-agent.com. Click Next. Click Proceed. A confirmation link will be sent to this email address. Click OK. Back in your Gmail, we've forwarded the verification link. So click on the newest email and then click this link to verify the automatic forward. I'm going to click this. Click Confirm. You'll get a confirmation success. Now, if we go back to Settings, see All Settings, Forwarding tab, we can refresh the page and now toggle this button. You'll have to paste that email address again, forward@inbox-agent.com. And then on this drop down, click Mark Gmail's copy as read. This will help us organize which emails have been responded to and which emails the AI agent still needs to read. With all of that done, you can now continue to the next step.